If you're receiving unwanted phone calls from a specific phone number or receiving unwanted calls from area codes that your team doesn't support, you have a way within your VoiceHub settings to be able to block those. So in this example, we'll go to the IT support team and we will go to VoiceHub settings. And the fourth option down here at the bottom, very bottom, we have an option for block spam. And here we can either add a specific number or add a specific area code. When I click the plus button, now this number will be blocked for a phone call specifically from preventing to ring our team from any future calls from this specific number. And I can go ahead and click update, and now that number is saved to our blocked spam numbers list. Again, you can do the same thing with area codes. If you just enter in that 3-digit area code, if you're getting phone calls from a number of different phone numbers, but from the same area code that you don't support, you can actually block calls from an entire area code as well.